What is up, guys? We're back here with the Jeep TJ. We're going to be installing a double DIN head unit in this thing. We've got some speakers, got some subs. We're going to walk you through how to install it. So sit back, relax. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. So this is what we're currently dealing with. This radio was in it when I bought it about 8 years ago. So what we get in our kit is I bought a whole new dash piece there. Allows it to become double DIN. So we're going to have to take this off, take the radio out, wire in a new radio, and let's get at it. Let me show you what we got here. So here's the new dash piece. You can see it's got a much larger area there for the double DIN head unit. Then we got some kicker speakers just to go up in the sound bar there. Improve the sound of that a little bit. We got a Pioneer double DIN head unit, and then we've got some 10-inch subwoofers that are going to go in there as well. So let's get at it. All right, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to take off this dash piece here, the center. There's 2 screws up here behind this vent cover here. So we're just going to go ahead and pop that off. Those screws. Wasn't too terrible. Guessing this thing had an alarm at one point. Just gonna locate that. We've got 2 screws right here. Screws handy here. See if I can persuade this one. Just the 2 screws there, and this whole dash should just give a pop right off. We're going to hold on to this because we're going to need to pull these 2 vents out here and here. You can tell from the off-roading how well these brackets held up. Look at that. Held on by 1. Plug all this. Modified bracket here. Oh, radio. Just gonna relocate this. All right. Alright, now let me pull you in a little closer here. So I believe we have to cut this out here for the radio to fit for the double DIN. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and grab the little handsaw, and we're just going to cut this piece out. It's just a little piece here. I think we may have to trim the sides a little bit, and that's it.
found my little baby saw. So let's see how this works. If this doesn't work too well, we're gonna bring out the big saw. I don't think we're doing too well. Straighten it again. I do this so many times, huh? No. This is gonna work, guys. Not gonna work. Let me try.
So, but let me see if I can get this off here first. Ha. Score. Don't want to hurt these vacuum lines, so I'm going to tuck them back here. All right. All right, I got the next size saw up, so this should work a little bit better. Should have started with that one. And ta-da. I had to get some light in here. Got it all cut out. It came with a the kit came with this antenna jumper to make extender to make it a little bit longer here. So we can go ahead and here's the new piece ready to go. To pull all of these little tabs off. So let me do that. Alright, so if you take a look, there's little tabs here, 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 and here on the old one that has these clips in them. So all you got to do is pull the clips off the old one and just slide them onto the new one like so. That way, when you put it together, it just clips into these slots. The new kit didn't come with the clips. We're not going to put that in there yet because we got to set the radio up. This next part's going to be a lot of wiring, so I'm just going to cut through this. Alright guys, so if you've never wired a radio before, it's pretty simple. I mean, you got all the wording in there in fine print where each one goes on each side. Super simple. If you can't read, then, I mean, it's pretty easy to just match all the colors to one another. If you bought a DVD system like I did, this long green wire here will just run to either your emergency brake, your parking brake, or in my case, I'm just going to run it to a toggle switch. That way, you know, if you want to watch a movie or something, then you can just flip the toggle and it'll act like it's in park. All right, let's keep going here. Plug our harness in. Okay. I'm not going to run this right now because it's not important. So I'm just going to... run one piece of tape to the wire around it for now, just to get it out of my way. Get rid of all this. All right. And there it is. That baby's gonna go right in there. Looks like I've got enough space for it. Don't have to cut anything else out. And then we've got these mounting brackets. They're kind of just gonna set in there. So, yeah. They are a right and a left. Guessing basically what we want to do is set this up. In the right portion here. Let's see if we have. Oh, there they are. Box of screws. Find the holes to keep this thing level. Okay, that looks pretty close. Not going to hook anything up to it just yet because I just want to see how it sits in there. gonna take our first look here, see how this looks. I don't know, I think that looks pretty good. So we're gonna call that good. Clip stayed on. Pull it back out. See if we can fit those last 2 screws in there. Put this one right here. Alright, so this is what I got for an end result for the bracket. And we can start plugging everything in. So we've got a USB cable. That's just gonna run down this way. That's gonna go somewhere else. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna use this or not. Microphone for phone calling. I mean, my Jeep's too loud to hear anybody on, but what the hey, we're gonna do it anyway. I'm just gonna run this down through the top here. And I'll figure out where that goes later. Okay, that goes there. Alright, let's just shove it in there. That's the antenna. Here's our plug. Alright. Now let's see if we have power. Would you look at that? Yeah, I hear ya. We have power. Fantastic. Alright. Let us finish it up. And I realized I'd made a mistake. It'll work. It'll buff. Okay. I do have subwoofers and stuff I need to hook up, but I think we're just gonna skip on that for now. I will put that in a different video. We'll tear it all back apart. And I'll put that in a different video. Let's put all this together. So you can see how it looks a little closer. Back up top here. All right, step number 2. Get these vents out. It should just pop, but you know, nothing ever goes the way you want it to. Hey, it wasn't too bad. look at that. Certainly interesting putting dirty parts on the new parts. And it works. All right. I stuck the other screws. Oh well, we got these ones. We'll just use the ones they gave us. I didn't just drop it in the vent. That didn't happen. I'll get my magnet and I'll pull it out of the vent. Alright. And if we turn on the radio, there it is. So that's pretty much the install of the double-din stereo in the 03 TJ, guys. If you have any questions, just ask them down below. Hope you found this video useful. If there's anything else you guys would like to see, just again, let me know. Thanks for tuning in and watching. We'll catch you on the next episode.